Serving tea to the guest is an art of hospitality industry. It can create a best impression about the establishment. In this case, needs to follow some steps, such as preparing tray setup and serving on the table. To make a setup of tea, arrange a clean tray along with a washed and crispy tray mate. Set down the sugar bowl in the right corner and tissue holder in the left corner of the tray. Clean, spotless, crack-less cup with a saucer and spoon place in front of the sugar bowl. Some cookies in a remiking bowl should be kept in the left corner in front of the tissue holder.
Fill up a small milk pitcher with hot or cold milk according to guest choice and place it adjacent to the flower vase. Place the teapot in the middle of the tray to keep balance while walking.
Serving on the table.
Place the largest item on the table first. Keep the cup, saucer with spoon facing all the handles on the right side and other elements on the table. Ask the guest, "May I fill up the cup with tea?" In addition, assist them to add sugar and milk if needed.
Lastly, wish them enjoy the tea and please let us know if you need any assistance.